Let's start with KOHO. This platform is designed for everyday money management. When you open a KOHO account, you get a prepaid MasterCard that works just like a debit card, but with cashback and budgeting features built right in. You can use it to pay bills, shop online, or make in-store purchases anywhere MasterCard is accepted. KOHO's biggest draw is its simplicity and control. The app lets you track spending in real time, categorize transactions, and set up savings goals automatically. It also offers round-up savings, where every purchase is rounded to the nearest dollar and the difference is saved for you. This makes building a cushion effortless. KOHO even allows early direct deposit access, up to 3 days before payday, which is a nice touch for managing cash flow. In terms of cashback, KOHO offers between 0.5% and 2% depending on your plan. The free plan gives you basic cashback, while the paid plans, like KOHO Extra or KOHO Everything, boost those rates and add perks such as higher savings interest, better card benefits, and fee-free foreign transactions. It is a great setup for people who want to earn while spending and manage money in one place, without the clutter of traditional banking. Now let's look at Neo Financial. Neo is a newer but fast-growing Canadian fintech company that brings a more credit-driven approach to modern banking. Instead of a prepaid card, Neo offers a traditional credit card paired with a digital account that includes spending, saving, and investing options. The standout feature here is cashback. Neo partners directly with thousands of Canadian brands to deliver personalized rewards. While KOHO gives you a flat cashback rate, Neo's system can offer anywhere from 1% to 5% or even higher at select partners. These rewards automatically adjust based on where and how you spend, which makes the experience feel custom-tailored. The app also provides clear insights into your spending habits, plus tools for tracking financial goals and monitoring credit usage. Neo's credit card is a great option if you want to build or maintain credit while still earning strong cash back. It has no annual fee, and it works across Canada with instant approvals for most users. Neo also offers a high-interest savings account that gives better rates than most traditional banks, making it appealing for people who want everything: credit, cashback, and savings in one place. In terms of accessibility, both platforms are free to sign up for, both have user-friendly apps, and both are backed by Canadian financial institutions for security and insurance. The choice really comes down to your lifestyle. If you prefer a hands-on budgeting tool that keeps your finances simple and transparent, KOHO is a fantastic fit. But if you want a more traditional credit setup with higher cashback potential and an all-in-one financial platform, Neo Financial might be your match.